Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can fix a declined transaction that is not visible on Revolut. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. Before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So once you're on your Revolut, what you will do is basically just log in with your credentials, and then after logging into your account, what you will do is look for the payment section and tap it. Then you will check the transaction history, and then what you will do is tap decline transaction. If not visible, you will just have to tap support and then click chat, and then you will explain the issue, and then you will provide transaction details. Revolut support resolves, and then the confirmation will be shown in app. And that's just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.